So I recorded this entire video without realizing that my video capture device, my face cam, wasn't even on the entire time. So yeah, that's cooked. But today I did take a winning trade. A winning day of 2,183. So going into day, what do I see? Going to the daily, I see a bit of bullish momentum, but daily I don't really look at it, like you can't really tell much from the daily. You can see we've invalidated this gap as well, so there is some sort of bearish confluence as well. 4-hour, you can see that we've been displacing, especially on NQ. We have created this big 4-hour gap. Drop down to the 1-hour, we have this entire 1-hour gap. Boom. 15-minute as well, retraced into a very strong gap. Now you can see that I'm SMT leading on NQ. Boom, right here, SMT leading on NQ. Where is it? High, low, high. So I'm looking personally for shorts on NQ because just look at these gaps. Then you drop down to the 5-minute. You can see there is a very, very strong 5-minute gap right here. I saw it and I saw the displacement just coming from it, and then after that took the trade, and then we got TP in 1, 2, 3 minutes. We hit full TP. So with this trade into here, because there wasn't really a lot of confluence there, and then over here I had pretty strong confluence that the market's telling me that it wants to go lower. So boom, 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 everything happened. With this trade, I did take boom, boom, 994 there, and I did take a 195 here. So yeah, I did not secure a winning day on this account, unfortunately, but I'm completely fine with that because this trade did eventually hit me out in break even, and I was able to risk manage and get myself at least some money on that one account. But besides that, this trade was pretty textbook, I'm not gonna lie, because just looking at these gaps here, we did have news orange folder at 10 EST, but I was out before that. I was out at 9:36 from 9:33 to 9:36. Besides that, yeah, A+ trade. If you guys do want one-on-one help on how to get funded, how to get paid out, or just one-on-one help for free, completely free, DM me trade on my Instagram. So hope that helped.